Hello students, good morning. Today I am going to start the new topic circle. So first of all, we will understand what is locus. The word what is locus. Suppose a px comma y is a variable point. It is moving. So hence we can say path of moving point is known as locus, because if we understand the concept of locus, then we will go to the topic circle. So first of all, learn very one small definition. Locus means path of moving point. Suppose a point is moving just like this, so this is called the locus. Okay, if we clear the concept of locus means path of moving point. Suppose a point is moving this, that is known as the locus. Now we will clear the concept of circle. So what is circle? Circle is also a circle is a locus of a point. Circle is also a locus of a point which moves in a plane such that distance, suppose think about, this is the, suppose a variable point p x comma y, it is moving in a plane such that distance from a fixed point is always constant. Means a circle is a locus of a point which moves in a plane such that distance from a fixed point is always constant. It means a circle, there is a variable point px comma y moving such that distance from a fixed point is always constant. This fixed point is known as center of circle. This fixed point, is known as center of circle, and distance between them, center and variable point, and distance between them is known as radius of circle. It is only definition. Means what is circle? Circle is a locus of a point which moves in a plane such that distance from a fixed point is always constant. Suppose p variable point is moving just like this, and it is fixed point, and this fixed point is known as center of circle, and distance between them is known as radius of the circle. Now the next concept is equation of circle. Means how to find the equation of circle if the coordinate of the center, means it is center and the coordinate of is h comma k and radius is a. Think about the definition of the circle is, means let a variable point p x comma y. P x comma y is a variable point which are moving this, and O is the center. So then OP is equal to the A in radius. O is the center, P is the variable point, and OP is a radius. So OP equal to A. So by using distance formula, under root x minus h. Now squaring both side, squaring both side, we get x minus h का whole square. It is the required equation of circle if center of circle and radius are given. If, for example, find the equation of circle, find the equation of circle if center is 5, 4 and radius is 10. Means question is how to find the equation of circle if center and radius are given. So just like this concept, what is center? Center is 5, 4 means it is h and it is k and radius a equal to 10. The equation is x minus h का whole square plus y minus k का whole square equal to a square. Here we will put the value of h. So x minus 5 plus y minus 4 का whole square. This is the required equation of circle if center and radius are given. Now, if center lies on the origin, if center of the circle lies on the origin and radius is a, then x minus 0 का whole square plus y minus 0 का whole square equal to a square means x square plus y square equal to a square. It is the required equation of circle if center lies on origin and radius is a. Now, the next concept, equation of circle whose center is h comma k and touches the x-axis. Radius is not given. Means how to find the equation of the circle if center is h comma k and touches the x-axis. So we know that if circle touches the x-axis, x dash, y dash. Think about center of the circle is h and k. If circle touches the x-axis, then radius equal to the ordinate of the center because it is abscissa and it is ordinate. If a circle touches the x-axis, then radius will be the ordinate of k. Then equation of circle x minus h का whole square plus y minus k का whole square equal to k square. Now we will solve x square minus 2ky equal to k square. K square cancel. So x square plus y square minus 2hx minus 2ky plus h square equal to 0. It is the required equation of circle. Equation of circle, if circle touches the x-axis, it means radius will be the ordinate of the coordinate. Second, if circle touches the y-axis, if circle y-axis को touch करे, now if circle then equation of circle, if circle touch the y-axis, then it will be h. So it will be h. In this case, radius equal to the abscissa of the coordinate. If circle touches the x-axis, then radius equal to the ordinate. If circle touches the y-axis, then radius will be the abscissa. Radius will be the abscissa. So then equation of circle x माइनस एच का होल स्क्वायर प्लस y माइनस k का होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू द h स्क्वायर. The next concept, equation of circle which touches both the axes, means a circle which touches the x axis and the y axis. In previous topic, if circle touches the x axis, it is h, and it is k, so it is also h. Think about if a circle will touch both the axes in this h equal to the k. So think about if a circle will touch both the axes, then abscissa, ordinate and radius both will be the equal. Please always remember, if a circle touches both the axes, then coordinate of the abscissa and ordinate both will be the equal. Then the equation h and k will be the equal, let equal to a. So x minus, here is very most important this, if circle touches both the axes and depend on the which quadrant lies. If it lies in the first quadrant, then both will be positive here. Here both are negative. Now we will take one example. Find the equation of circle lies on the third quadrant. Lies on the third quadrant and radius is 1. So say circle lies third quadrant, radius is 1. So it is 1 and it is 1. So coordinate will be minus 1 comma minus 1. So center will be minus 1 comma minus 1. So equation of circle y minus minus plus 1 equal to the 1 square. This is the concept when circle touches both the axes. If circle will touch both the axes, then abscissa equal to the ordinate equal to the radius. Now the next topic, equation of circle which passes through the origin and cut off intercept on axis, means equation of circle passing through the origin, means circle is passing through the origin and cuts intercept. It is x axis and it is y axis. Suppose it is x intercept and it is y intercept. Question is this, how to find the equation of circle if circle passing through the origin and make intercept 2a. Suppose in x axis make intercept 2a and in y axis make intercept 2b. Question is, how to find the equation of circle if circle passing through the origin and cut 2a on x axis and 2b on y axis. So suppose O is the center of the circle. So it is the name is A, B, C. AB is x intercept and AC is y intercept. So as we know that perpendicular from the center to the chord bisect the chord. Perpendicular from the center to the chord bisect the chord. So it will become A and it will become B. Think about, if it is B, then it is also B. Now we will use Pythagoras theorem or distance formula, radius under root. Suppose it is A and it is B, so center will be A comma B. So radius A minus 0 का whole square. So we get A square plus B square. So center A comma B. So equation of circle x minus under root a square plus b square का whole square. So we get x square y square plus b square, a square b square, a square b square cancel to get x square plus y square minus 2ax minus 2by equal to 0. It is the required equation of circle. Means if equation of circle passing through the origin and cuts up intercept 2a and 2b on the x-axis, then this is the concept. As we know that perpendicular from the center to the chord bisect the chord, so it will become a and it is also a, and total is b, so it is also b. So center will be a and b, and find the radius by using distance formula.